So now our delivery pipeline is ready. But from the dashboard, it is difficult to visualize the pipeline clearly. Means if we have more jobs like 10 jobs and all, we cannot visualize this pipeline better. So to visualize this pipeline better, or to view this pipeline in a pipeline view, to have a pipeline view, we have got a plugin. Just go to the dashboard, click on new view. Here we are seeing only list view and my view. But I want to see this pipeline view. I want to have a pipeline view. So to see that, we'll be having a plugin. So to install a plugin, go to Manage Jenkins. Manage plugins. Manage plugins is where we can install any plugin. Go to Available. Under plugins, you will have 4 tabs: Updates, Available, Installed and Advanced. Updates is nothing but if any updates are there on the plugins we install, it will show. Available is we'll see all the list of the plugins here, hundreds of plugins available here. Any plugin if you want to see, you can search for any plugin here or click this and go for the documentation of the plugin. See how this plugin works. You can work with the plugins this way. This is where you can see how each plugin works. So that's a available plugins. Installed or which are all you have installed. Like if you remember on the beginning of our installation, we have gone with some suggested plugins. These are all the ones you can see under installed tab. And some of them you can see uninstall. Some of them you cannot uninstall because if you see, this plugin cannot be uninstalled because it has one or more install dependents. It has got dependents, so it cannot be uninstalled. So first uninstall that dependency and then uninstall this. Similarly, Advanced is a tab where you can write your own plugin and upload it. So these are the 4 tabs we have. Now I want to have a plugin for pipeline view. So under suggested plugins or available plugins, search for a plugin called Build Pipeline. Build Pipeline. So you will see plugin related to that. Select the plugin and install the plugin. So this is how we'll install the plugins. Once this plugin is installed, now let us go to dashboard and now click the view. Here we can see build pipeline view. Select this build pipeline view, give some name, let's say DevOps CI/CD pipeline. So let's give some name, DevOps CI/CD pipeline, and hit OK. It will ask some configurations. The first important one is initial job. You should select the initial job because if you set the initial job, next jobs will continue the sequence. So choose the initial job. My initial job is compile job only. So that's all. And how many number of bills you want to see, you can choose here. Right now I'm just choosing 1 bill. Okay. So this is the colorful UI you can see for your jobs. So if you run the pipeline, you can see here compile job. It is in yellow color, shows like it was executing, and the blue ones are in pending. Once the job is successful, it would turn green and so on. Enable auto refresh on this page so that we can see. So the ones in progress are in yellow. So this is the colorful UI of the pipeline we were discussing. So this is how you can work with our CI/CD pipeline in Jenkins. If you want to go to the job, you can also click here or rerun the jobs, or this is how you can check the console output and so on. This is the pipeline view of a job. And the next job is executing in sequence. So if you want to see multiple bills, multiple runs, you can choose how many runs you want to see. Let's say 2 runs. So you can see 2 runs. The first one is done and the second pipeline is executing. So pipeline 3, pipeline 4. This continuous process of continuous integration and the continuous delivery process will help the code quality, will help to improve the code quality, and the delivery process becomes faster. Bugs can be identified easily. So these are all the advantages of the CI/CD pipeline, because any commit made on the GitHub repository will trigger this pipeline. So any commit developers make will be compiled, tested and packed, and then it would be deployed. So any change would be deployed, any change would be tested. So that makes the process automated, faster, efficient and qualitative. So this is the concept and this is the agenda or the idea of CI/CD delivery pipeline in DevOps.